What's going on, guys? Today we are back working on Sam's 4Runner. Today we're actually replacing the rear tailgate on the 4Runner and maybe the back bumper. Haven't decided whether I want to put those both in one video or not, or two, or whatever. So first up, we're going to remove this wire here, and to do that, you actually have to remove this trim piece here. It's very easy. Just take a screwdriver or whatever, or just pull down on it. The clips will come out. When you get to here, you'll need to actually pop the cover off the light, and then there's 4 screws in there also. So just inside here, there's 2 plugs that you'll need to take out. I know you can barely see them in there, but when you get to this stage in person, you'll be able to see it and know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we can't get any closer, so let's get these out of here. There they are, right there. And now next, pop this grommet out and pull the wires up. Yes, sir. So next step is to remove these rods. You got to remove these 2 bolts here, and over on the other side, the exact same bolts at the bottom of these rods. Don't forget to take this guy off too for your for your windshield wiper spray here, or your, I guess, back window wiper sprays. Okay, so now that we got the bottom bolts off of these push rods here, now it's time to remove the last 4 bolts from the top hinges here. And then this whole tailgate will be free. So, tailgate is off. We're just cleaning it up. Gonna get some Lysol wipes, clean up all the dust and stuff on the inside here. Shop vac it all up. And then put the new one on.
I know.
These high speeds.
I go so fast now.
We're gonna rest it up there. Sam?
Yeah.
I need you to push that, or Kyle, if you can make my hand push that down there. Get over. There. So Kyle just stopped by, he helped us put the gate on. Sorry I didn't record a little bit more of that, but figured while he's here, get it done. He was in a bit of a hurry anyways, I think. I don't know. Anyways, putting the gate on is pretty much just opposite of what we did taking it off. We're just in the process of buttoning it up, getting it to look nice in here, and yeah. Sam, do you wanna close it?
Yeah, I do.
How's it feel? Is it all nice and solid? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, open it up.
Oh, brand new.
That's nice, eh?
It sounds new.
It does sound new.